Nechcem tejto láskavej pane, čo nosí celý život iba kroj, vysvetľovať, že ja vlastne k folklóru nemám vzťah.
Vadí mi, jak je interpretovaný, přeceňovaný a przněný, zneužívaný všemi režimy.
Ich verstehe nicht, warum wir in der Slowakei statt Restaurants hölzerne Kollibars haben müssen. Diese Blockhütten für jeden Zweck, an der Autobahn, zwischen den Plattenbauten, in der Stadt und auf dem Land.
Drevenica buszmegállók, drevenica pizzériává alakított hajdani óvoda, kukoricacsuhé egyendekorral.
Identycznymi jak w każdej innej, choć w połowie kraju było za zimno na uprawę kukurydzy.
A hairdresser's in a coliba that's home to a Cafe Venezia. Wooden cottages and log cabins are everywhere. They have swamped this country. This was a multilingual reading of excerpts from Katarína Kucbelová's book twentieth, which is coming out from Seagull Books on the 15th of June as the Bonnet. We had this unique opportunity to meet here at the translation seminar in the central Slovak town of Kremnica, and we have recorded this in front of the House, a historic building which will be turned into a house of literary translation. Let me introduce the people who participated in the reading. The Slovak original was read by the author, Katarína Kucbelová. Then we had an excerpt in Czech, which was read by Lubomír Machala. The German translation was read by Marie Zerman, who stood in for the translator, Eva Profosová. The Hungarian reading was done by Tunde Mészáros, the Polish by Katarzyna Dudzic-Grabinska, and my name is Julia Sherwood, and I have translated this book into English jointly with my husband, Peter Sherwood. Thank you.